Hey everybody, check out my last video. You'll see the Key Tool Max failing to program a 2008 Honda Odyssey. So we're going to try to complete the job using the Autel iM508. And so it's a Honda. I'll just do manual selection here. We got Odyssey, blade key, confirm, and we're doing control unit, Honda immobilizer. Okay, we are plugged in, ignition is on. You can see up there the key light flashing right over here, so we know that it is not programmed as of now. Ignition is on, bigger system. Okay, all keys lost. One key. Turn ignition off. Turn ignition on. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Mobilizer light went out, so it's going to ask if it did go out. You see up there it is no longer on, so yes it did. I'm just going to close out the programming cycle. Current number key is 1. Turn off. Okay, and go ahead and unplug before we try to start it. And this van has a lot of crap wrong with it, so I don't know if it's going to start anyway, but we'll try it. Yep, fired up. This mobilizer light's out. Make sure it runs for a few seconds here. And so anyway, so check out the last video of the Key Tool Max failing to do this, and then the Autel knocking it out in a matter of a couple of seconds here. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Till next time, we will talk to everybody later.